The thing about adventures is that sometimes they don't go as planned. Over Labor Day in Zion, nothing quite seemed to go our way. But we didn't let it stop us. It was too late to get to our campground, but a night at a hotel meant unexpected pool time. And it was 100 degrees outside and our food melted and then bees swarmed our dinner. But getting to sit in the front seat is pretty fun. And we realized a little too late that we came to one of the most popular national parks on the busiest weekend of the year. But that became a good reason to take roads less traveled.
Perfect. And now repeat after me.
So yes, adventures don't always go as planned. But at least we get to adventure together. Next time, we come full circle.